The European Union is deeply concerned about a 335-kilometer high-speed railway built by China in Europe. The success of this railway may pave the way for China's high-speed railway to smoothly enter the European market. The project is located in Serbia and is called the Hungary-Serbia Railway. It is fully constructed by Chinese companies. In order to promote economic development, Serbia has invested $3 billion to support the project. 2 years ago, the Belgrade-Novi Sad section was officially opened, transporting more than 8,000 passengers every day and a total of more than 3 million passengers per year. In April this year, another section of the Hungary-Serbia Railway in Serbia made key progress. With the successful laying of the last set of rails, the Novi Sad section has achieved full connection. This achievement has excited the Serbian people because China's participation has helped them realize their high-speed rail dream. However, many people are not aware that since China took over the project, the railway construction has been repeatedly obstructed by the European Union, and even caused the project to be suspended at one point. So why does the European Union want to obstruct China from building high-speed railways in Europe? In today's fast-paced society, high-speed railways have profoundly changed people's lifestyles, especially China's high-speed rail system, which is eye-catching. China's high-speed rail trains have a speed of up to 350 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest high-speed rail systems in the world. It is expected that by 2025, China will build a huge 8 vertical and 8 horizontal high-speed rail network, covering 95% of the country's cities with a population of more than 200,000. The construction of this network will greatly promote economic ties between cities and promote the development of areas along the line. China's high-speed rail technology has not only achieved remarkable achievements in China, but also exported to many countries, driving the economic development of these countries. For example, Indonesia's Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail project is a successful case. Since the launch of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail project, about 20 companies around the world have invested in Indonesia, driving local economic growth. According to statistics, since the operation of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail in 2024, the cumulative number of passengers transported in half a year has reached 1.5 million, and the daily passenger occupancy rate has exceeded 85%. These data fully demonstrate the huge potential of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail in improving the quality of life of residents. Although China's high-speed rail has achieved brilliant results in the Asian market, it faces many challenges in expanding in the European market. First, many European countries, such as the United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Spain, already have mature high-speed rail technology in a complete high-speed rail network. These countries not only have advantages in technology, but also have accumulated rich experience in the operation and maintenance of high-speed rail. Therefore, their demand for introducing Chinese high-speed rail technology is not urgent. In addition, European consumers and companies often believe that the quality of Chinese-made products is not reliable enough to meet Europe's high standards. This deep-rooted concept has become an important obstacle to the promotion of Chinese high-speed rail in Europe. However, Chinese high-speed rail has gradually gained recognition in Europe recently. For example, Serbia and Hungary jointly invested $3 billion to invite China to build a high-speed railway connecting the two countries. So, what is so special about this railway? In fact, the railway between Hungary and Serbia existed as early as the late 19th and early 20th centuries, and the railway has a history of more than 100 years. But Serbia decided to seek technical assistance to transform this old railway. Initially, Serbia asked Italy, which has advanced high-speed rail technology, for help, hoping that Italy could help transform the Hungary-Serbia Railway. However, as a member of the European Union and NATO, Italy directly rejected this request because Serbia has not yet joined the European Union and lacks the basis for political and economic cooperation. In this case, Hungary, as the first European country to sign a Belt and Road Cooperation Agreement with China, hopes to build an important transportation hub connecting Europe and Asia through the construction of the Hungary-Serbia Railway. As early as 2013, Hungary and Serbia jointly proposed to China the construction of high-speed railways, with the aim of enhancing the economic development potential of the two countries through modern transportation facilities. In response to this strategic cooperation, China signed an agreement on the construction of the Hungary-Serbia Railway project worth $3 billion. As far as I know, the construction of the Hungary-Serbia high-speed railway was officially launched in November 2016. This railway is not only part of the European Transport Corridor 10, but also an important part of the China-Europe Land-Sea Express line. The total length of the Hungary-Serbia Railway in Serbia is 183 kilometers, divided into two sections, 75 kilometers from Belgrade to Novi Sad, and 108 kilometers from Novi Sad to Subotica. The Hungarian section of the railway is 152 kilometers long, starting from the north of Budapest and extending to the border between Hungary and Serbia. The total length of the entire Hungary-Serbia Railway is about 335 kilometers, with a design speed of 200 kilometers per hour. It adopts a double-track electrified standard-gauge railway with passenger and freight lines. This design not only improves transportation efficiency, but also meets the needs of passenger and freight at the same time. It is expected that the Hungary-Serbia Railway will be put into operation at the end of 2024. But since China took over the project, the EU has been trying to interfere with and undermine this cooperation. Why is this? In recent years, China's relations with EU countries have not progressed smoothly due to the intervention of external forces. The EU follows the United States in many ways, linking its policies toward China with its own interests, which has led to some obstacles in China-EU cooperation. For example, the railway project between Serbia and Hungary has brought significant economic benefits to China, but the EU does not want China's influence in Europe to increase and has repeatedly obstructed this cooperation. The EU claims that Hungary's introduction of high-speed rail technology and equipment from China violates the EU's market rules, so the progress of the Hungarian section of the railway construction was forced to be shelved. Although Serbia is not subject to EU control and can continue to cooperate with China, the EU still stated that China's technology cannot complete this railway project. But in 2022, the successful opening of the Serbian section of the railway left the EU speechless. As of April 2024, the last set of rails of the Hungary-Serbia Railway project in Serbia has been successfully laid, and the Novi Sad to Subotica section has been fully connected. At the same time, the construction of the Hungarian section of the Hungarian-Serbian Railway is also progressing in an orderly manner. Although the EU has exerted pressure on the project, which resulted in the track-laying work not being officially started until the end of May last year, the right track has been basically completed and the laying of the left track is also proceeding steadily. At present, about 70% of the track laying in the construction section that China is responsible for has been completed, and the overall project completion progress exceeds 55%. Once the construction of the Hungarian section of the railway is completed, the travel time from Belgrade to Budapest will be shortened from the current 8 hours to just 3 hours. This will not only greatly improve travel efficiency, but also significantly promote personnel exchanges and economic cooperation between the two countries. Today, the Serbian section of the Hungarian-Serbian Railway has celebrated its second anniversary. In the past 2 years, the railway has transported a total of 6.83 million passengers. The construction of the Hungary-Serbia Railway provided great convenience to local residents. In the past, the speed of this railway was only 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, but with the upgrade of Chinese technology, the speed now reaches 200 kilometers per hour. In order to express its cherishment of Serbia's profound friendship, China took the initiative to participate in the follow-up maintenance and supervision work. In this process, China has taught advanced railway technology to Serbian engineers and technicians, helping them master the core technologies of modern railway operation and maintenance. By aligning with EU railway technical specifications, China's high-speed rail technology has been successfully implemented in Europe. This not only enhances the competitiveness of China's high-speed rail in the international market, but also lays a solid foundation for more international cooperation in the future.